Hello, my name is Dylan Shoemaker. Welcome to the St. Joseph Bay State Buffer Preserve. Today we're going to be talking about prescribed burning and how it affects the buffer preserve and why it's important. So some of the ways that it's really important for the preserve and other places in Florida is that it helps with maintaining the habitat for animals and reducing the wildfire risks. There are three phases to a prescribed fire: preparation and planning, the prescribed fire itself, and monitoring and mop-up. I have a 15-page burn prescription that I have to put together, and the weather and the crew and equipment all have to coincide with that prescription for a burn to safely take place. Weather being one of the biggest components. I have to know the wind speed, the wind direction, the air temperature, the dispersion. There's a lot of different factors that go into weather. As the burn boss, I need to make sure that are in place for the burn to safely take place. So along with the equipment component, we were talking about engines and UTVs. We also have a lot of hand tools that we utilize. And those range from a drip torch, which is a cylinder that we use to drip fire out of as we walk down the line. We have a Pulaski, which is an axe on one hand and a really good cutting tool on the other to really get in and dig up roots. We also have a council rake, which is one of the most preferred tools on the fire line. I'd like to talk to you about the main part of a prescribed fire. So at the very beginning, we have what is called a test fire. The test fire is a very important part that explains and shows everyone that we are within prescription and we are going to meet the burn objectives safely. Once the test fire is approved, crews get together with their crew boss and they move in two different directions around the burn zone. And they will string fire and do whatever firing techniques they need to complete the burn. The last phase of a prescribed fire is mop-up and monitoring. Today we have learned a lot about prescribed burning. We have hit on topics such as planning and preparation, the prescribed burn itself, and monitoring and mop-up. Thank you all very much for listening. Please visit the link for more information. And remember, here at the Preserve, we are always helping to restore Florida one drip at a time.